Throughout history, diseases have greatly impacted humans. We ask ourselves, what was the most pernicious plague that affected human history? What have humans done in history to cure diseases? What are humans doing now to help cure diseases?
If we talk about the history of diseases, the oldest disease known to mankind would be trachoma. Trachoma is an infection by a bacteria called Chlamydia trachomatis and was recorded to first occur about 8000 BCE.
Scientists have currently found a partly effective disease for trachoma, and they're continuously working on the antibiotic that will have full effect to prevent blindness caused by trachoma. This picture shows one of the symptoms of trachoma, a repeated infection of the inner eyelid. Scientists nowadays have discovered and invented vaccines to help prevent spreading diseases or getting infected by it. A few centuries ago, people believed in different ways of treatments that are now proven to be the most senseless way of curing the diseases.
For example, a weird treatment would be bloodletting, which started around the 5th century. People in the past cut themselves so a small amount of blood will escape their body and hopefully bring some illnesses along with the blood. But to our modern world, leaving cuts open will only help bacteria to enter our bodies, which will only make it worse. So in the picture right here, this is the tool that they used to process the bloodletting.
The plague which decimated the most lives in human history was the Black Death, which occurred from 1348 to 1350 during the medieval period in Europe. Within 2 years, the plague took away 75 to 200 million lives. The reason why the Black Death took away so many lives was because people didn't have resistance to Y. pestis bacteria. Their bodies weren't able to fight back the disease.
In the picture shown right here, to my left is the Y. pestis bacteria, which killed a lot of people. And on my right, these are the rats that the Y. pestis bacteria lived on. The Y. pestis bacteria originally is in this rat flea, which lived on a rat. And the rat traveled along the Silk Road to Europe, and it killed a lot of people.
As mass murders by diseases occurred throughout history, scientists and doctors started to research for the causes, prescriptions, and the preventions for those infections.
The very first successful vaccine in history was for the smallpox. The vaccine was discovered by an English doctor called Edward Jenner in 1796. His discovery of vaccine was a huge turnover for the medical history. Since then, vaccines for different kinds of disease continued to develop, offering a chance of living for humans.
Despite the fact that a lot of vaccines for different diseases were found by the 21st century, there are still lots of vaccines that haven't been discovered, like the HIV/AIDS or the Ebola plague. HIV/AIDS are killing a lot of people. The scientists have had no luck of finding a cure for that disease, and they also haven't discovered what the bacteria looks like. This picture represents the fact that HIV/AIDS were spreading to all 7 continents.
The Ebola outbreak, which still is currently spreading around Africa, are killing hundreds of people. But all we can hope for now is that a vaccine is going to be found, and that we can only hope that Ebola won't spread to other continents and causing a major event that would decimate millions of people's lives. So on this picture, if Ebola first started around Guinea, which is around there, and now it starts spreading all around Africa and it's killing tons of people. Thank you for watching!
Bye!